niyo lahat, muling nagbabalik ang Radyo 24, ang nag-iisang radyo kung saan pinapakilala namin ang mga taong nagugis sa kanilang mga sakripisyo. Ngayon, dito sa ating programa ay pinapakilala ko sa inyo ang lalaking entrepreneur na si John Lloyd Cholo Quionza o sa mas kilalang tinatawag na The Man with the Flavored Flan. Si John Lloyd Cholo Quionza ang makabagong isip sa likod ng Spoonful Dessert. Sikat sa paglalagay ng flavored leche flan sa mga garapon. Mula sa simpleng pamebenta ng yema at pastillas bilang isang mag-aaral, hanggang sa makapagbalik ito pagkatapos ng isang nabigong pakikipagsapalaran sa restaurant. Nagtayo si Cholo ng isang umuunlad na online negosyong panghimagas na ngayon ay gumagawa ng libo-libong pagkain araw-araw. Siya rin ang nagtatag ng Young Entrepreneur Society of Cabuyao na nagbibigay inspirasyon at nagtuturo sa susunod na henerasyon ng mga Pilipinong negosyante.
In 2015, he left the grind to chase a dream he long confined. His first small step met quick defeat, yet passion kept his flame upbeat.
In Cabuyao, a spark took flight. Leche flan jars appeared delight. With caramel kiss and flavors new, his kitchen dreams began to brew.
Through Facebook shares, the word soon spread, trade fair called, and mentor led. Each jar he sold a humble start, but every scale came straight from heart.
By 2017, new goals were fed. Fish and chicks serve crispy bread, yet more than wealth he sought to guide the youth with dreams they held inside.
He taught them hope, he showed the way, that dreams grow strong if worked each day. For every fall can plant the seed of sweeter heights one heart can lead.
Ngayon na nalaman niyo na ang buhay ni Cholo, kilalanin naman natin ang mga taong natulungan niya.
Cholo's taught me that failures are not the end but a chance to grow. From a failed food stall to a thriving food empire, he proved that persistence, creativity, and passions can turn small beginnings into big success. His journey inspires me to never give up on my goals.
Cholo's story teaches that failures can be a stepping stone. Determination and innovation can lead success. Building strong networks can open opportunities than money alone. His story is a manifestation and empowering one to us.